Hello friends, today we will be discussing Chapter 2 Duties of Signal and Telecommunication Engineers, focusing on Section 1 Duties of Engineers in charge of maintenance or construction. This section outlines the responsibilities of Sr.DSTE, Deputy CSTE construction, and other S&T officers responsible for ensuring that railway signaling and telecommunication systems are safe, reliable, and well maintained. Overview of responsibilities. This chapter describes the duties of S&T engineers in three major areas: technical responsibilities, administrative responsibilities, coordination and compliance responsibilities. Our focus is mainly on how an S&T engineer ensures safe operation of signaling and telecommunication systems, compliance with the rules, smooth coordination with other departments, and efficient management resources. Technical duties. Let us begin with technical duties. Engineers in charge are responsible for installation and maintenance, ensuring that all signaling and telecommunication equipment, interlocking, block instrument, telecommunication circuits, OFC systems, and so on are installed and maintained in safe and reliable working condition. Planning and execution of work. They prepare plans, drawings and diagrams, estimates, and tender schedules. Once sanctioned, their works must be executed as per prescribed norms and safety standards. Compliance with rules and manuals. Adherence to rules. Engineers must ensure strict observance of General and Subsidiary Rules (G&SR), Signal Engineering Manual, Telecommunication Manual, Railway Board Orders, RDSO Guidelines, and PCST circulars. They must also ensure all staff are trained and aware of rules and procedures. Inspection and reporting. Action on inspection notes. All inspection notes issued by higher authorities, Sr.DSTE, CSTE, CRS, or RDSO, must receive prompt action, and compliance reports should be sent without delay. Approvals and sanctions. Coordination for sanctions. For new works or alteration, the engineer must obtain CRS sanction for signaling changes, PCSTE approval, RDSO approvals wherever required. This also includes coordination during campaign works including engineering, electrical, core, PSU, etc. Approvals from competent authorities. All technical and design approvals must be processed before execution. Accident management. Coordination during accidents. In case of an accident, the S&T engineer coordinates with all departments to restore traffic quickly, ensure proper investigation of S&T failures if any, assist in identifying root causes and preventive measures. Interdepartmental coordination. Smooth functioning of systems. Regular coordination with engineering, operating, electrical, mechanical, RPF, and other departments ensures the signaling and telecommunication systems works efficiently. Contract and material management. Contract management. The engineer is responsible for tender schedules for work, ARC, AMC, timely payments, ensuring proper renewal of contracts, confirming qualified manpower deployment by contractors, ensuring high quality workmanship, materials and tools, ensuring supply and use of approved quality materials, tools and testing instruments, budget and expenditure control, budget control, monitoring expenditure and ensuring it stays within budget allotment, sanctioned estimates, budget proposal, submitting timely proposal for revenue budget, works budget and periodic review documents. Administrative and HR duties. Delegate powers. The engineer exercises powers delegated in matters of procurement, establishment and works. Discipline. Maintaining discipline within the organization as per railway rules. Staff welfare. Handling appeals, grievances and ensuring welfare of staff. Maintenance schedules. Issuing specific instructions and maintenance schedules to SSC signal in charge, sectional SSCs or JEs and technicians. Transfer of charge. When an engineer hands over or takes over charge, follow the Indian Railway Code for Engineering Department Chapter 1. Conduct joint inspection of important works or sanctions. Prepare a detailed transfer of charge statement signed by both officers. Send a copy to PCSTE. Applicability to other engineers. These instructions also apply to DSTE, ADSTE and engineers posted for execution of works with necessary modifications depending on nature of duties. To summarize, the duties of an S&T engineer in charge of maintenance or construction revolve around ensuring safety, maintaining compliance, efficient planning and execution, effective coordination, and proper management of budget, contracts, and staff. These responsibilities are essential for the safe and smooth operation of Indian Railways signaling and telecommunication networks. Okay, thank you.